You guys do not know how long I've been waiting for this and how excited I am right now. Like it's pretty crazy. We're starting the day off a little bit on the late side, but that's okay. Ben just came in from San Diego, so he's actually with Dave right now. He's gonna be meeting up with me at Tempe Marketplace. I'll check out the diffuser, maybe take a couple pictures, hang out with him while he's in town, and then check out Dave's car because I know he brought it. Yeah, we're gonna head out now while we have daylight. Let's get it going. All right guys, so made it to Tempe Marketplace. We met up with Ben. Unfortunately, he brought the CRV, but that's okay. You know, we might go to Cali, he might come back, we'll see. Jay might come too as well. But yeah, here with Dave as well. I forgot his freaking cooling plate, man. I feel bad. Yeah, man, so we're parked up here. We're gonna check out the diffuser. You mind if we check it out now?
Yeah, let's do it.
First order of business. How was the drive over here, man? Was it pretty good?
Not bad, very smooth. Yeah, the road is like not bumpy at all.
Yeah, it's like super smooth. They just redid like a lot of this. Oh, there it is. Oh man.
This thing.
Oh my gosh, bro.
I hope the wait was worth it, man.
Dude. That's freaking.
I got it nice.
How many months have we been waiting? Have you been waiting? Because this was originally supposed to be yours, right?
Yeah, so I ordered it last year, late May. So like around the 4th month, around like October, went to go ask them to when I picked up my fenders.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
They would hit up the J's rep and they'd get back to me. No word. About month 5, this was November.
Okay.
I asked them again and they hit me with the same thing. Oh, we'll ask the J's rep and then we'll get back to you. But
yeah, dude.
This time the J's reps basically said I sold it to someone else by accident.
Dang, dude. But hey, we're here,
yeah.
Hey, let's go by Dave. I don't want to be out in the open like this. Somebody might swerve. I gotta freaking give Thomas his diffuser, bro. I've been waiting for this, bro. So now I can finally sell it to him. I haven't sent it. I feel bad, bro. He's probably mad at me, dude. Honestly, like he knows why I've been waiting this long though, because of this. So.
You're talking about the OEM?
Yeah.
I didn't give you a box.
I know. No, you gave me the box, but yeah, remember? So I still have it and everything. Dang, man, look at this.
Give us some extra padding.
Extra padding, good stuff. I was about to be like Hyundai. I was like Hyundai genuine parts. What the heck? Sheesh. Oh my gosh, bro. So good, bro. So good. So here it is, guys. I'm probably gonna do an unboxing, like a full unboxing for you guys, but for now we're really hungry, so we're probably just gonna head out, get something to eat, take you guys along and stuff. But yeah, man, shout out to Ben, bro. Drove all this way, and good thing he was, you know, already on the way in town and stuff. So yeah, man, it's crazy, dude. Now that I have this J's, I want to get more J's now.
Yeah.
So like I want the grill now, I want the front lip now, I want, because now I have the fenders. It's like, what's left, you know? Like I got to do the wing, you know. I gotta do all catalog J's, right?
Hey, if you want the grill,
I'm too broke for that. You still got it?
Yeah, I still
Hey,
got
I
it.
might hit you up. We'll see.
I can bring it this time.
All right, guys. So we decided on going to Lucille's. This is kind of like a southern kind of barbecue place, which is really good. It's been a while since I've been here, man. So hopefully there's not like a long line or anything. Let's get in. Dang. So the food came in. I got half a rack, mac and cheese, and some mashed potatoes. Ben got some brisket over there, and then Dave got some brisket with some ribs. He got everything over there, man. Crazy. So yeah, we're about to dig into this, and then yeah, I'll just catch up with you guys when we're done. Massacre. Yo, Zosh, man, you out here, bro? Jeez. Hey, circle tail like gang, you know what I mean? Right? All right, guys, so we just left. Man, I'm full. Killed it. Dave got leftovers for the fam. Big respect. That's grown man things right there. Take care of the family right there. Yeah, so we're about to maybe just go do a shoot maybe around Tempe, and yeah, just take some pictures. I know Ben, he's got his camera and I got my phone, so yeah, we're about to just take some pictures. Why not? All right, guys, so we just found this nice little location downtown Tempe. State Farm buildings. It's beautiful out here. Security's probably gonna kick us out, but man, just trying to get a couple shots before they come shut us down. But yeah, Ben's got the camera. Dave's shooting some stuff right now. I'm gonna try to get some B-roll real quick while we have time. pictures. Ben's gonna follow me home. He's actually gonna help me deliver it to my house, which is really nice of him. This is gonna be it for the video, guys. If you guys want to see the unboxing, stay tuned. I'm also gonna be fitting it on the car very soon, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, if you guys like the video, man, just give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys want to see more content. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.